In this video, we will review Unit 3, Cycle 1, Activity 6. The activity key question was, how can force ideas be used to account for changes in motion? Now, we talked about two different types of forces. We talked about backward forces, and we talked about forward forces. Now, let's say that I'm pushing this low friction car. As I'm pushing the low friction car, we have a constant forward force which will make an object speed up. It will cause the object to speed up. While I'm touching the car, it is considered an applied interaction. It's an applied interaction because there is an interaction between objects that are non-elastic. Now, when I'm no longer touching the object should move at a constant speed. A constant speed because there's no interaction affecting the object's motion. Now, it is true, there's always friction, a little bit of friction, and a little bit of drag. However, in these activities, we're not counting with drag nor friction because it is so little. So, applied interaction, the object speeds up, but when I'm no longer touching it, it will go into a constant speed. Now, when the car hits the elastic band, there is an elastic interaction in between two objects, the low friction car and the elastic band. An elastic interaction is an interaction in between two objects, and one of them has to be an elastic object. Now, what happens when the car hits the elastic band? It slows down. So that'll be an example of a backward force. Then when the car bounces off the elastic band, it's going to speed up. It is also considered an elastic interaction because it is still an interaction between these two objects, and it will be an example of a constant forward force. It will be constant until the rubber band and the car are no longer touching. So it'll speed up. Let me do it again. It'll speed up, and then when the car is no longer touching anything, it will just remain at a constant speed, no interaction with anything. So basically, that will be the review of Activity 6, and basically a review of also Activity 2 through 5.